Hello, my dear students. Let's start the grammar of Unit 1. Unit 1, Prep 3. The title of the unit, as you know, Visitors to Egypt. Yes. The grammar for today is giving advice. How to give advice. إعطاء نصيحة. How to give advice. Yes. We use should and shouldn't to say that something is or isn't a good idea. So we use should and shouldn't. Should and shouldn't followed by infinitive. So we put subject, should or shouldn't, plus infinitive. For example, you should sleep early. You shouldn't walk too much in the sun. Also, we can use should to make suggestions. We should visit Alexandria Library. We should visit or you should visit Alexandria Library. We can give advice using other ways. Let's have some other ways to give advice. Number 1, we can use I advise you to or not to plus infinitive. Take care, advise here is a verb, okay? I advise you to or not to followed by infinitive. Advise is a verb. ينصح. I advise you to get up early for school. I advise you to get up early for school. I advise you not to smoke. Not to smoke. Okay? Yes. Number 2, we can use it's a good idea to or not to plus infinitive. It's a good idea to study hard. It's a good idea not to walk too much in the sun. You had better followed by infinitive directly without to. Take care. Important. You'd better or you had better. Apostrophe D is abbreviated form for had. Okay? You'd better followed by infinitive without to. You'd better sleep early. You'd better not get up late. Okay, let's continue number 4. We can use also it's better for you to plus infinitive. It's better for you to plus infinitive. Okay? For example, it's better for you to do your homework daily. Number 5, my advice to you is to followed by infinitive. My advice to you is to stop smoking. Take care here. The word advice here is a noun. Okay? So the word advice is a noun. نصيحة. But advise is a verb. So I advise my advice. Take care for that. Number 6, it's advisable, desirable, important. Advisable, which means من المنصوح به. Desirable, مرغوب فيه. Important, to plus infinitive. It's advisable to brush your teeth before sleeping. We have number 7, second conditional if. Second conditional if. If I were you, comma, I would or wouldn't followed by infinitive. Take care here. If I were you. If I were you. Okay? Yes. If I were you, I would obey my mother. If I were you, I would obey my mother. Let's continue our grammar for today. We have number 5, the best thing to do is to plus infinitive. The best thing to do is to plus infinitive. The best thing to do is to study hard. Okay? Yes. We have ought to, ought not to, ought to, ought not to, followed by infinitive. You ought to obey your teacher. You ought to obey your teacher. Okay, let's see the questions here. We have question number 1. You shouldn't swim so far in the sea, and I want you to use advise. Think. Yes, advise is a verb, so I advise, yes. I advise you not to swim so far in the sea. Number 2, it's a good idea to go to the gym. I want you to use should. Yes? Great, excellent. You should go to the gym. You should go to the gym. Yes. Let's see number 3. You should do exercise had better. I want you to use had better. Yes. Don't forget, had better followed by infinitive without to. Infinitive without to. Yes. You had better do exercise. You had better do exercise. Let's see number 4. The best thing to do is to study for the exam. The best thing to do is to study for the exam. I want you to use should. Yes, excellent. Good. Yes. You should study for the exam. You should study for the exam. Yes. Number 5. You should see the dentist. You should see the dentist. And I asked you to use if. Yes. Don't forget, we use second conditional if. If I were you, comma, I would or wouldn't, according to the sentence, negative or affirmative, followed by infinitive. Yes. So what's his answer? Yes. Very good. Yes. If I were you, I would see the dentist. If I were you, I would see the dentist. Let's continue question number 7. You ought to study hard. You ought to study hard. And I want you to use should. Think. Think before answering me. Yes? So the answer will be, you should study hard. It's very easy. You should study hard. Take care. Ought takes to. But here should infinitive without to. Number 8. You should play basketball as it fits you. I want you to use the best thing. The best thing. Yes? The best thing to do is to play basketball as it fits you. As it fits you. Yes? Thank you for watching my video, and I am waiting for your questions. Thanks.